Hey there folks, it's Yakin here from Training Ground. Alright, so today we are going to unbox and give our first impression for the latest Sony Noise Cancellation wireless headphone, okay? Which is this, the WH-CH720N. Yeah, you can get it in Malaysia on the 1st March 2023 onwards, and it is priced at 649 ringgit Malaysia. So let's not waste any more time and we go for the unboxing right now. Alright folks, so before I'm going to unbox this product over here, something to let you all guys know why this WH-CH720N is so important for you, because it's actually offering the same features from the WH-1000XM5, which is using the integrated processor V1 chip and dual noise sensor. You can learn more about this product and its features and specifications as well on the Training Ground website. Now let's come back over here and we are unboxing this lovely guy here. We are not going to waste any more time. So first thing, at the back here, it will tell you all the features what it has. Okay, firstly, mainly it has the noise cancellation. I have been mentioning it. Music playback time with noise cancellation turned on, max 35 hours. Incredible. 3 minutes of charge, plays up to 60 minutes. So you know it has incredible fast charging. And then it has hands-free phone calls, multi-point connection, lightweight and comfortable design, equalizer, headphone cable, and then it shows you all the buttons. What is it all about? Pretty much straightforward. Now we are going to unbox it, pull it out, and here we go. Okay, so that is one part of it. Now we need to pull this out. Okay, turn it over. Voila. So here it is. So you get a okay, it's just a cover for it. Let's see. So you get some cables over here. So this is the Type C to Type A for you to charge. If you want to use the 3.5mm headphone jack, feel free. And some paperwork. I think basically that's it. I think I'm going to bring back the headphone over here. Okay, so what I have here is the white color variant. Yeah, so wow, they do feel really light. Incredible. I would say the build quality is almost on par with the XM5. Yeah, sturdy. Okay, it also has that headrest cushioning, which everybody loves it. And also, look at that. Okay, it has marking to shows you like which is the right side, which is the left side. Okay, how about the ear muffs here? Okay, the padding here is pretty soft. Okay, feels like a memory foam. And the leather material is not harsh, it's very soft, very smooth as well. That's a good point. Okay, now here is the power button. Okay, and let's check out the clickiness of the buttons as well first. Okay, I think the buttons are quite okay, nothing much to complain. Okay, and here's the 3.5mm headphone jack, the USB Type C charging port. Yep, basically that's the headphone itself. Let me go and do some setup first. Alright, so I have done setting up onto my smartphone right now. Okay, now let's talk about the ergonomics over here. I think the ergonomics on this WH-CH720N is good. Okay, so yeah, you can actually adjust the size of the headphones. Okay, adjust to your head, and I think overall here is pretty good for the adjustability. Earmuffs, I think they are incredibly comfy. The cushioning here is superb, top notch, along with the headrest as well. I felt really comfy. I don't felt like there's a pressure onto it. And the cupping of the headphone onto my ears here, they are excellent as well. Yeah, so really plus point over here, and buttons over here are very easy to remember. Okay, so on the front part over here on the right side of the cup, you have the noise cancellation and ambient mode as well. You can change it on the go. And then you have the volume control. Meanwhile, this middle button here, you press it to pick up your calls, activate the voice assistance, and so on. Okay, so that's a really plus point over here. And like I mentioned, that on the left side there's only just the power button, okay, USB Type-C charging port, and also the 3.5mm headphone jack. Yeah, so overall I think they are impressive. And meanwhile, what about the ambient mode and the noise cancellation? So right now I'm actually using the ambient mode. I can listen to the fan noise, which is great. Okay, so when you are at outdoor, you want to wear this headphone, yeah, turn on the ambient mode. It's going to save your life. And meanwhile, when you really need to enjoy your me time, okay, you can head over to the noise cancellation. Just one tap onto it. Okay, activated the noise cancellation. Okay, I still can hear a little bit of the fan noise, okay, but definitely if you ask me, that the noise cancellation do work. Yeah, it's impressive. Now let's play some song. Okay, so I have here Bad Habit by Steve Lacy. This is the settings. Now, okay, I paused the song for a while. Okay, so I listen on the with the noise cancellation turned on. Okay, I do feel that out of the box, if you do not change the equalizer, okay, you do not tune anything, it felt really bassy. Yeah, it's bassy. Okay, so if you want a little bit more clarity and less bassy, I always tend to go for the bright settings over here. Okay, now let me just go back to the music player. Okay, now I'm listening with the noise cancellation being turned off in the bright settings. Okay, now let me go for the off. Yeah, I still feel like with the off, it felt quite bassy. So if you're someone that loves bass, yeah, it's going to be a good one for you. But for me, I'm going to keep it on bright. It's much better because I like to hear the vocals from the singer. Yeah, not bad, to be honest. I think it's a impressive wireless headphone right now you can get. Now, this is not a full review, but Sony actually claimed that this WH-CH720N has a battery life up to 35 hours with active noise cancellation being turned on. However, if there's one downside I have to nitpick on this WH-CH720N, is definitely the lack of IP rating. I have gone through to Sony's website. Yeah, it doesn't even mention anything about IP rating. So beware when you're using this guy during shower weather. You might want to take it off and put it back inside your bag. All right, so yeah, basically that's all I can tell you guys on this unboxing and first impression video. Okay, hopefully you guys love it, and I much appreciate for you to keep on watching until to the end. And if you have done it so and still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead, subscribe, like the video, share it out, drop some comment, and also make sure to follow us on social media as well. Okay, yeah, I'm Yaken once again. We need to sign off. Make sure to stay tuned for more contents on this YouTube channel.